This is your last problem. Problem 10. Use the word banks to write the name and the value of each coin. So we've got 4 different coins here. On the first line, you're going to write the name of the coin. So you've got, in the word bank up here, you've got nickel, dime, quarter, and penny. I want you to think about what you remember each coin looking like and see if you can remember the name of each coin. After you write the name of each coin on the line, then you're going to come over here and look at the coin values. That means how much the coin is worth. So after you've written the name, then you can write the value. We have 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 cents. So here you are writing the name of each coin. Here you are writing the value of each coin, how much each coin is worth.